Welcome back to the Fox 43 AM Live. I'm joined now by Matt Bretz with Bretz Injury Law and United Way of Kansas State Director Lisa Gleason. Matt, Lisa, thank you guys for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, and Matt, we've chatted with you before about your work for the community and the legal side of things. But this morning I want to talk with you about some of the stuff you've done community service-wise.
Sure. Well, I'm here today with Lisa Gleason from United Way, and United Way has been near and dear to me for a number of years. In fact, Lisa and I got to know each other when we were both on the board of directors for United Way. So that's one of them, TEC, which provides services to developmentally disabled people, and then the National Board of Directors for Mothers Against Drunk Driving. They're all near and dear to me, but really, I think that's because the community's been good to us. And so, I want to be able to give back, and when it comes to MAD, I want to stop some of the devastation caused by drunk and drug driving.
And Lisa, you remind our viewers what the United Way is all about.
So United Ways are local throughout the state of Kansas. We have organizations spread out all across the state, and our role is to support nonprofits within those communities and to tackle some of the community's most deep issues to see how we can make a stronger impact.
And Lisa, what is your new role with United Way?
Yeah, so I am the state director for United Ways of Kansas. The association was started about 50 years ago by volunteers, and we have formally made it an association just this last year as we move to try to help strengthen the capacity of all of our United Ways to tackle local issues.
Yeah, so she works with Caw Valley United Way as well as all the other United Ways, helping them be more efficient, help in their fundraising and in delivering services to different community organizations.
And I also understand that Bretz Injury Law has had 100% participation in the annual United Way campaign for over 25 years. So Lisa, what does that mean for you and your staff?
Well, it's amazing. What can I say? We do work all across our state and in our local communities around homelessness, around child care, early childhood literacy. We couldn't do any of that if we didn't have support from people like Matt and his organization. Nothing happens without funding to support the work that needs to happen. And so because of Matt and others who take a deep interest in trying to advance the work of United Way, we're able to make progress on the things that our local communities need most.
Yeah, it's certainly awesome. And Matt, Lisa, any kind of final thoughts on how people can help United Way's mission?
You know, there are several ways where we look for people to help us, whether it might be lending their voice to stand alongside of us as we're trying to tackle community issues, whether it mean rolling up their sleeves like Matt and his office does on our community work days, where you come and you help us physically make a difference to an elderly person or someone who has low resources, who needs extra support through assistance and physically helping, but also giving of your resources. As I said, we can't do any of this. We can't support nonprofits in our communities. We cannot make a deeper impact on statewide and local issues if we don't have funding to support that. So we are so grateful to all those who help support us and help us be able to advance the work across the state.
Well, yeah, one thing I'd add is, any business owners who want to have United Way come out and talk to their employees about charitable giving, do the fair share. United Way would love to come out and do that. I know Jennifer from Caw Valley would love to do that, or send one of the people from there to come out. But it's only if we all work together that we can make this a better community for all of us in which to live.
Absolutely. Our goal across the state is to create a state where all Kansans are thriving, and it takes all of us to do that. We certainly can't operate in silos. We have to be able to collaborate, use each other's resources to help make that deeper impact that we're all looking for across the state.
Yeah, it's awesome. Matt, Lisa, thank you for joining us this Tuesday morning.
Yeah.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Yeah, and for more information, you can visit byinjurylaw.com.